times 262,144 times 2.
524,288.
524,288.
524,288.
Okay. Then you multiply by 2.
1,048,576.
And then you multiply by 2.
2,097,152.
And then you multiply by 2.
4,194,304.
Multiply by 2.
Can you still?
8,388,608.
Can you still go on?
Yeah.
Multiply by 2.
16,777,216.
Can you still go on?
Yeah.
Multiple by 2.
33,554,432.
Wow. Can you still go on pa?
Yeah. 7,108,864.
More?
Yeah.
Okay, multiply by 2.
34,217,728.
Okay, it's enough.
Hi, my name is Juan Carlo Pio Ferrer. I am 6 years old and an incoming grade 1 student.
555 times 5.
555 times 5, 2,775.
Oh, it's correct.
Correct.
Okay, how about 730 times 4?
Okay, 2,920.
Okay. How about 640 times 5?
640 times 5, 3,200. My favorite subjects are math and the next one is English.
Okay. About 888 times 2
1,776.
times 2
3,752.
times 2
7,104.
times 2
14,208.
times 2
28,416.
times 2
56,832.
times 2
113,664.
times 2.
Okay, 227,328.
Can you still multiply that times 2?
Yeah.
How much?
227,328 times 2 equals 454,656.
Oh my god. Can you still go on?
Times
Okay,
2?
Times 2?
this is the last one. Yes.
Okay.
909,312. And then next is 1,818,624. I like math because I love solving math problems.
What is your technique in multiplying and adding big numbers? How do you do it?
I don't know, I just use my mind. I calculate in my mind.
Can you multiply by 4?
The 6.
67,108,864 times 4?
268,435,456.
Can you still multiply?
Yeah, do that 11, like 11 more.
Okay, can you multiply it by 4?
Multiply by 4. The
1,073,741,824.
oh. Can you multiply by 4 na sad?
4,269,967,296. I started to learn math when I was 3 years old. I calculate.
How about 1 to 20 in German?
Der eins, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
We honestly don't know where he got this skill, no? And nobody trained him actually, and it was more of a self-taught. Kay kung kuan lang sa tinuray lang ako, I like math. I mean, I love math. Pero ang math mo hindi ka nahanap sa tinuray lang. Like especially sa part ni Atlin.
How about 5,000 divided by
4?
It's 1,250.
Divided by 4. 5,000 divided by 4.
1,250.
Ako, sakto na eh. Ako, nakita ko kung lang answer. Buguwagin ako eh.
I remember when he was like a year old, he started counting backwards, and we were amazed with that milestone. And also, he was able to read at the age of a year and 8 months.
He's an early reader, so when he was in Kinder 1, he would answer his own assignment. He understands the instructions. So kuan kanang dili ra kaayo ko daghang buhaton.
When we travel, especially when we travel to the city, PU always ask pila distance, would say pila oras, no, for ang travel time nga na. And kuan said, if we play basketball, he always associate math like terms of pila distance na kailangan para makashoot or say angle nga na. And mo na siya is very fascinated with numbers.
When I grow up, I want to be an engineer or an architect.
We just always remind him that education is important, and that if you really want to become an engineer someday, you have to do good in school, you have to be serious with your studies, especially when you're already in college. We don't really pressure him. Kay Pio really loves to learn. He enjoys studying. So we did not focus aside kaayo kay what we were more focused on kay sa iyahang social skills, because he's really shy.
Our friends actually they always ask us, especially our families, asa mi naliwat kita. Okay, so tinuray lang, huwag din na mundo ha. Amo ni atin. Okay, kuan kanang wala gid lahi gid extraordinary.
Okay. 380 times 4.
Okay, 380 times 4, 1,520.
Okay, correct. Okay, next. 650 times 5.
3,250.
Okay, correct. Okay, next. How about 180 times 6?
1,080.
Okay, correct.
What is your message to grown-ups who don't like math so much?
You should start loving math because it's part of your daily life and it's some kind of exercise for your brain.